I have my sidekick over here, and this is her Lexus. Yeah, that's fine. You got you got a lot of leverage on that thing. It's gonna go. Welcome back, JDM fam. Today we're going to be working on a Lexus. It's going to be awesome. I have my sidekick over here. We're going to be working on cars together in the future, and it's going to be awesome. So this is Savannah, and this is her Lexus SC300 1993 edition. This is a 93, guys. This is actually a really clean example, and I believe these are the American versions of the Toyota Soarer. So these are actually a JDM car in Japan, and they just brought it here, called it the Lexus SC300. So it's actually a really cool car, guys. We'll do a really quick walk around, show you guys what it looks like. It's actually really clean. It does need a wax or a wrap. My red Civic, I had a 95 Civic that actually looked powdery pink until I waxed it and shined it up, and it looked shinier than this by far. But this can be brought back very easily. Roof still looks great. It's got the sunroof. It is a Lexus, and it does make me miss my Lexus, guys. My IS was amazing, and I do plan on buying another one in the future. So we're going to be doing a brake pad job on this car. It's going to be awesome, guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Okay, so this side's missing a cap. Yeah, that's a easy thing to point out. But check this out, guys. Someone did a bad job on this. They swapped out the lug nuts to all different sizes. This is mismatched and definitely not professional. Just doesn't look good. So we're gonna try to find the sizes for these, as well as jack it up. Now, if you're jacking up any car, you're gonna wanna find the jack points, the pinch welds down here, as well as use a jack stand so it doesn't fall. But first we're going to break these lug nuts, and then we'll start jacking it up.
With my foot.
Yeah, that's fine. Come on, you could do it.
This one doesn't want to come off.
Stand on it slightly. Don't like hurt yourself. You got you got a lot of leverage on that thing. It's gonna go. Okay, so the wheel's off. The brakes don't look too bad, but we're still going to replace them, obviously. Now, let me show you guys what I got. What we picked up just now. These are Brake Best Select Premium brake pads. These are some ceramics, so they should work really well as performance, and hopefully they last a long time as well. So we're gonna break this caliper off. Gonna hit that bolt right now, and then we'll see what they look like. Okay, so got the caliper out. Brake pads are out. We got the new brake pads right here. The old ones weren't too bad. They actually have a decent amount of life, but we're going to be keeping this car for a long time. Hopefully be doing a lot of mods and different videos on this Lexus SC300. The owner was complaining that the original pads were squeaking, so they could have been lower quality pads. So I am glad that we ended up changing them out, and the new pads are way quieter than the old ones. Swap out the brake pads, and then we'll probably be working on the rears sometime in the future as well. So all we're going to do is pop these back in. They have the shims on them already. Just pop them back in, then we'll put these back on. We'll tighten her up. Learning how to change brakes, what do you think?
It's going great.
Is it more complicated than you thought?
Not as complicated as I thought.
It's pretty easy, right?
It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're almost done. All right, we're gonna show you guys what we've done so far. Okay, so we pressed the cylinders in here. I don't have a C-clamp, so what I did was just use a socket right here and a screwdriver in that hole right there. Just press it back. Also, I did open up the brake reservoir cap because you want to be able to let out the pressure so it doesn't blow any lines or anything, and it makes it a little easier as well. Did put a towel down just in case it comes out. Doesn't look like it's going to, though. That's something that you definitely do want to do when you're changing brake pads. Okay, so next we're going to put these clips back into the brake pads back here. Then we're going to tighten up that bolt right there. We should be done with this side. And now the brakes are all done. All we have to do is tighten up the lug nuts and then go on a test drive. Lexus is looking great, guys. Definitely a sporty little SC300 slash Toyota Soarer. Definitely a cool car and a pretty rare car as well. You do not see these in the US that often anymore. Definitely a cool car to mod. And hopefully we see this modded up a lot more in the future, guys. We're looking at a Supra style lip for the front as well as wrapping. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.